Hi, I'm Michael Blair. I'm one of the clinical directors with the Human Path and Herbal Medics. I also teach a few of the classes, the on-site Botany Intensive and the clinical Spanish, um, guerrilla foraging, and I've been schooling with the Human Path and Herbal Medics for about 8 years now. Pretty deep in the clinical herbalist path. Here in Central Texas, we have 2 or 3 different bioregions that kind of come together. There's the hill country bioregion with the Blackland Prairie, and of course there's a lot of urban growth now, which urban and suburban growth now, which has a whole different set of plants to it. So one of the things that we'll talk about in this first botany course, bioregional Central Texas, is we'll talk about all those different plants, how they come together, some ones you might know like cedar or agarita, common ones from suburban areas, plantain, dandelion, but also lots of prairie plants that you might not know are medicinal, like Indian blanket and Mexican hat, and we should be able to identify a whole lot of them. It'll be spring, so everything will be coming up very nicely. And the emphasis in my botany class, it's kind of a botany class for herbalists, but it's really kind of a botany class for anyone. It's just an ID class in a sense that we're going to go out. First, we're going to talk about systematics and how all the plants are related. How to identify different plant families, which is really the key to like getting down to identifying individual species. So you'll be able to go out and say this plant has these features, it must be in this family. You'll be able to open up your guide and kind of like winnow it down from there. That's how I like to teach it, a little scientific first, but then go out into the field and get like down to the nitty-gritty and look at the plants up close. It'll be a great time in spring. There'll be all sorts of stuff coming up, and I think one of the last time I was out there, I found something like over 100 different species of plants. So I hope to see you out there. We'll be observing all the CDC guidelines for social distancing and mask wearing, and I hope to see you out there, and we'll have a great time.